2009 Chevy Tahoe. Okay, first of all, you're gonna have to take that piece out. Yep. And be careful, it might drop. Second, pry it out like that. Just take a flathead or something and pry it out. Then the third one, same thing. You can use a flathead, just pop it out. And then there's a 10 millimeter right there that you have to take out. And then 10 millimeter on the other one. We'll go for this one first. 10 millimeter. One of them. It'd be nice if you have a magnetic type, but. And then this one, 10 millimeter also. It's only one of them. Next, you gotta pry them out. You pry them. Yep. And the other side. Okay. Now, most of this you're gonna have to lift them up. Yeah, lift them straight up after you pry all of them out. And then, next thing you have to do, once you got everything out, you kind of put it back to the side a little bit. And then if you have a helper, that'd be great. If not, you just have to tie this to, roll the window down and tie it right here so you don't have to let that fall. But other than that, you take a 7 millimeter right there. I'm gonna do one hand right here since he's helped me hold it. Oh, loosen that. And then you take a flathead or something to pry this out because it's got a sticker right here, the old thick tape. Once you get that out, you just cut this wire right there. The dark color is positive. Oh. You can just leave it like that. Just don't just drop it, just slowly leave it like that, and then I'm gonna show you.
Explain why this don't come off.
So as you can see, this speaker right here, it won't come off, and you can't put this 6.5 aftermarket right there in there. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna take all that foam out. He's gonna cut those plastic just like so. Now once he cut all that out, he's gonna push it out or use a knife and cut it. But push it out the same way, like so, see? And gonna clean it up a little bit so the speaker would be in there, okay.
I do. Show other people.
So now he's gonna take 6.5. This way you don't have to spend $30, $40 to buy this piece. So this is how you do it. You know. So you wanna put that speaker in there first. So it's easier if you plug that in first.
This what was in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You smell it?
That's factory.
Yep. Yeah, make sure you plug.
That's gonna sound way better. Y'all already got this side in?
Yep.
Oh, play.
So
Coming here from here on out.
Got my customer right here. He's
Yeah, I'm
waiting for his
satisfied
car.
customer too, man. They did a good job, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now he's gonna put the screw in here. So now he's gonna screw that in. You gotta be careful when you screw that in. You gotta be careful not slip that Phillip. If you do, it's gonna take that speaker out. So there you go. So you gotta go really easy with that because that plastic is pretty hard.
Fuck it, man. I might as well get them other two while I'm here, man.
Yeah,
Get
might
it
as
out
well.
the way, man.
I would. There you go.
That's all she needs.
Yep, that's all you need. What he's gonna do, he's gonna put the dark color, which is dark blue, to the gray, which is the positive. And then he's gonna put the light one, the light blue, to the gray and black, which is the negative. He's gonna put everything back. He put the bottom one in first. Kind of hard to see. And then snap it in like that. And he's gonna put a 7mm on this right there, and then that's it. Now what he's gonna do, everything's already speakers in there, so he's gonna try to align this right there to the plastic piece right here, making sure everything is fitting right there. You can see right here. Push it all the way up and then push it down.
There we go.
There you go. Now you got that. Now he's gonna have to make sure that this hole is aligned. All this piece align each other right there. Right there. Once it's aligned, you can see. All you do is hit it a bit like that, and it's in. It's pretty simple. And then now he's gonna put these pieces. Make sure you lift this up. If not, it's gonna be hard to put it in. He's gonna put the 10mm back in the hole. And one thing you have to be careful about, put that bolt back in. You're gonna have to.
Since we don't have the magnetic.
Okay, you gotta put this black tape right there, so that way it won't come out. Push it in right there. See how it's not gonna come out. And put it right in so it don't drop. If it drops, you know it's hard to.
Okay.
Right here.
I know, but I don't.
Can you see it?
It's not like that.
Oh, we had to move that a little bit. As you can see right there, some of these right there, you're gonna have to align this hole. There's a metal piece right there that you have to align it right here. Right there, like that. You have to push it like that. There's a metal right there. You can't see it.
There you go.
There you go. Now you can see that right there. So. You got it right home? Okay. Now he's got it. So he's gonna put that plastic clip on back on all of them.
Yep.
One side. That
Yeah,
piece
y'all
right there.
put them front two in too, man.
Gotcha. Right there. Clip. And this one is important. So what you do, you put it down. Make sure that one lip right there. Make sure that one lip is all the way in first. Then you snap this thing in. If not, when you lock the door, it's not gonna lock. It's gonna stick like that. So make sure the bottom, this piece is lower than this part. And that's it. Now the only difference for the this kind of car truck is the front. So the front one, you're gonna have to pry that up first, that out. Sometimes it is hard to pry out. Right there.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. So once you pry that out, you're good right there. So that's it. But pry that out first before you pull it out. But everything out is the same way. Except the speaker, the light color is positive on this side, on the front side. They both the same, but the light color is positive. So any light color is positive for the front door. And you just pop it out, pry it out with your hand. Sometimes it's easier that way.